How to change name on Epic Games. So first what you want to do is just go to the Epic Games website, then click on your profile in the top right corner, make sure that you're logged in, then click on account. So once you're here, you will be able to see your account settings, and you could either change your personal details right here where you could put your first and last name, and here if you go at the top you can change your display name right there. So just simply click on the edit icon right there. As you can see, if you've changed your Epic Games display name, you can change it again for 2 weeks after you confirm this change. So you could only change names or display names every 2 weeks. So make sure that you're sure on what to change your name to, since it can take up to 2 weeks to change your name. So just simply click on the new display name right here and just type the name that you want. So now once you've typed in, just simply click on I understand right here, then click on confirm. Then wait for it to load. And now as you can see, my display name has updated successfully as I basically changed name in Epic Games.